Hi everyone, I know today's video is a little different than what you expected. I know you expected the Duskwood Chapter 2 episode, and it is coming, I promise. I have the wig right there. But today, I needed to take a moment to talk about a very serious topic, a very serious thing that's come up in my house as of recent. And that's why the title of this video is How to Put Away Your Dishes. There are some people who just don't know how to do this skill, whether it be a lack of parenting or lack of frontal lobe development. So today, this is just a handy video, not dedicated to a very specific person who lives with me. So yeah, let's jump right into it. As you can see, here we have the dish, and the dish here, you know, it's not exactly dirty, but it's been left in the sink, this horrendous sink. I do apologize, but it's what we've got to work with. So here, let's just take a good look. Nothing super obvious about it, but as we know, roaches do like to collect on things left out, whether they be dirty or not. So for the first part of this video, we're going to make sure we just have everything that we need, and for today's purposes, I'm using Scrub Daddy, and I am not sponsored, but I'm open to being sponsored. And then we also have dish soap that I have put into an old Oxidol Ultra dishwashing liquid container. Can you tell I'm cheap? So now that we've got those, we can finally get into washing our dish. So here's what we do. I will be showing this from multiple angles just so you make sure not to mess this up. So we take our dish, right? We take our soap. We put just the tiniest drop. You don't need very much unless you're a complete germaphobe, and we can make a separate video for that if you need it. And then what we do is we get just a little bit of water on it, and then let me show you. We scrub it just for 15 seconds. We get the top, we get the bottom because it's been sitting in the sink. So we just need to, you know, make sure we get all the grime off it. And then what we do is we rinse it with warm water. And voila, it's clean. And then after that, we'll put it in the dish rack. But first, let's show you all the other angles of how we complete this process. So this angle is from the top view, and I will be only using one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. So again, we take our dish soap, we drop just a tiny bit, and we take our Scrub Daddy, put a little bit of water on here, and then we scrub. Oh, the will dance. We just make sure we get all the offending marks off the dish. Bottom too, if I can actually, you know, you get the idea. So you wash it, and you rinse it again. And then what we do, this is the last and most important step of our process, we put it in the drying rack. Wow. Look at how nice our dish looks. Isn't that crazy what only 15 seconds can accomplish? So next we're going to wash our fork and knife, and I will be doing this only from one angle because I don't want to stab myself. So here's what we do. We put the soap on the Scrub Daddy first because we don't want to cut ourselves. Run the water, take this, get it a little wet. Just very gently scrub. We don't want to tear up the Scrub Daddy. Then we rinse it. And we do the same thing with our fork. We just scrub, make sure there's no leftover crud on it. You know, that would be something we don't want. We take it and we rinse it. Turn off the water. Then what we do is we take our silverware and we put it in the drying rack. Wow, look at how nice they look. Look at how clean and pristine it is. And only in about 30 minutes they will be dry and ready to put away. How crazy is that? So now what we do is we take the Scrub Daddy, we squeeze out because we don't want old water collecting in here because that is disgusting. Then we take the Scrub Daddy and we put it back where it's supposed to go. And look at that. Our sink is empty. Isn't it amazing what just a couple seconds of time can do for a kitchen? Thank you for watching this video. And I know this content isn't exactly what you are used to seeing on this channel, but I think it's such an important topic. I think we have such an epidemic of people who don't know how to put away dirty dishes or even know how to clean them. And so I just think that this video is so important for those people, and I really hope this video helps someone out there who needs it. Especially those who have teenage brothers. Again, this video is not dedicated to a specific person. Have a great day.